Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to another episode of Culinary Chronicles. The word cheese brings a big smile to our faces, and today we're going to see a variety of them at Freshpik at Jio World Drive, Mumbai. So let's check it out. Wow, house of cheese. Just look at this section. If this is not heaven for cheese lovers, then I don't know what is. And here we have an expert with us who's going to guide me through this. Hello.
Hello. Welcome to Freshpik at House of Cheese.
Thank you so much.
My name is Navnath. I've been working here as a cheese specialist last from 8 years.
Wow, that's excellent. So Navnath, tell me, before I begin or before you start introducing all these cheeses, I would like to know why people, including me, are such big fans of cheese.
Cheese is basically made by curdling milk. So cheese has a different flavors, aromas and the texture. That's what the cheese makes so special for everyone. We have around 75 different types of cheese available with us, which is all vegetarian.
Oh, that's excellent. So now, can you show us a few?
So first we'll go to soft cheese. This is the BRIE, then the camembert.
Oh wow, this is also soft cheese. Excellent.
And the CHEVRE. So it has a high moisture, that's why it's called as a soft cheese.
And this is made with goat's milk and this is with cow's milk.
Exactly, chef, yes.
Oh, okay. So can you walk me through these one by one?
Sure, chef. So the BRIE and camembert is a very famous cheese from France. So BRIE basically a nutty flavor and the camembert is basically earthy flavor. So BRIE, you can have it simply, bake it for 2 minutes in the oven.
Okay.
Not more than 2 minutes, less than that.
Okay.
And you can apply truffle honey or any different types of honey and some nuts on top of it. It tastes heaven. And then followed by camembert, you can eat it as a raw.
Wow, excellent. So CHEVRE, which is a goat log. Tell me something about this.
So very interesting, this cheese. This is one of my best cheese. So this cheese, you can use it in salad, so it shouldn't be cooked. The watermelon and CHEVRE is the best way to have it. And then you can use it as a stuffing for spinach and ricotta ravioli with the CHEVRE.
So can you just open it and show me?
Definitely, chef. This is traditional method of cutting cheese with the help of string.
So this feels like a very soft cheese, of course. So tell me whether it's easily spreadable.
Yes, chef, definitely. So we also have semi-soft cheeses like cheddar. Then we have Emmental and different types of Gouda cheeses.
Oh wow, this is such a big wheel of Gouda. I have used this before, but I'm sure there are many more varieties of Gouda. So can you please tell me about that?
We have different flavors in Gouda. So we have Gouda with garlic, Gouda with chili sambal, Gouda with olives and tomatoes, Gouda with mustard, Gouda with truffle. So it's basically a good melting cheese. So you can use it in mac and cheese or in a grilled sandwich. So it melts very nice, or you can just slide over these cheeses on your dishes like pizza.
Oh.
Then any salads, you can just slide over on it.
So I've used a lot of soft cheeses in recipes and all because they're extremely versatile. So can you do me a favor? Can you just cut this wheel for me and show me?
Sure, definitely, chef. Chef, this Gouda with chili sambal from Holland. This is Emmental cheese from Switzerland. And this is yellow cheddar from England.
So which one do you recommend I should try?
You should try Gouda with chili sambal.
And it's flavored, so I should give this a try. Can I have a piece?
Definitely, chef.
Smells amazing. Delicious.
Next varieties of cheese is hard cheese.
Okay.
So this is like Parmigiano Reggiano.
Okay.
It's a vegetarian Parmesan, as we keep vegetarian cheeses only. It's a Manchego cheese from Spain.
This is one of my favorites. I think it's made with 2 milks, right? What are the kinds?
Yes, chef. It's made from sheep milk and the goat milk.
So I see a very nice dark rind here, and what I understand is some of the rinds are edible and some of them are not. Am I right?
Yes, chef. So basically you can see here, this is all natural rinds,
Okay.
but there are different types of rinds. So rind is basically, it helps to preserve cheeses.
Okay.
And this is both are naturals. And then another types of rind is like wax. So you can see on the Gouda, it's a wax coated. And then bloomy rind, you can see on BRIE has a bloomy rind,
Right.
also camembert, and the natural one, and this is basically a both edible rinds.
Oh, nice. So can I have a piece? It's delicious. So since Parmesan is known as the king of cheeses, can you please explain the flavor?
As you know, it's a king of the cheese. It's from Italy, and then it has a nutty flavor and it has a moderate amount of proteins in it. So that's very important to have a 20 grams of Parmesan cheese every day. It helps to energy building nutrients.
Wow, so 20 grams of Parmesan every day keeps your protein levels in check.
Exactly,
Nice.
chef, yeah.
So do you have any vegan cheese?
We do have, ma'am. So here we have a vegan cheese. In fact, we have a different flavors in it.
Oh, wow.
So nagin, cheddar, mozzarella. So basically this is a plant-based, or the nuts, cashew nuts, and the soybean used. So it's high in proteins. So it's a safe and healthy options those who has allergies and lactose intolerance.
Oh, nice. So what are the different kind of vegan cheeses that are available?
In vegan cheese, we do have a soft cheeses, then the cheddar, mozzarella, and in hard we also have a Parmesan. So that will get it in powder form as well as a block form.
So these are the most commonly vegan cheeses available.
Exactly, chef.
So coming back to these cheeses, I'm curious to know how long are these cheeses aged?
We do have a mature cheese which is aged for 3 weeks to a year.
Oh.
And Parmigiano Reggiano, they're also aged for 1 year to 1.5 years in cellar.
So because it's so aged, once I buy, how can I store it?
So once we cut it, we clean wrap it, and then again we wrap it with the parchment paper, and then you have to keep it in refrigerator at all time. Once you use it, you can keep it in the airtight container or the clean wrap it and again put it in the chiller. So that's the important. You can keep it for 15 to 20 days in the chiller, not more than that.
Okay, 15 to 20 days is the shelf life once it's cut. Thank you so much. This was so informative, and your cheese collection is excellent. There are so many varieties. Thank you so much again.
Thank you, chef. Wait a minute. I'm going to make a small cheese board for you.
Oh, excellent. That's a great surprise. I would love to see that.
Chef, this is for you.
Thank you so much. This looks amazing. Thank you for all the information. And now it's my turn to pick a few and go to the studio and make a recipe. So can you please just chop me like I have my choice of cheeses here, and the recipe that we're going to make today is double cheese panini sandwich. So let's get started. Let's start with making the stuffing first. So for that, I'm going to heat some oil in a pan, turn on the flame, add in 1 onion shredded, 6 baby corns diced. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 1 tomato finely chopped. Just stir in 2 cups of spinach leaves, stir these in. Add in all the seasoning ingredients, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 big pinch of pepper powder, 2 big pinches of sugar, salt to taste. Add in 1 spring onion. Give all these ingredients a good mix. Try and keep the stuffing as dry as possible. This is ready. Turn off the flame. The stuffing needs to cool down a little bit. To make the panini, I've taken 2 bread loaves over here. You can take any kind of bread that you want to use. Also, I have my cheeses here. So I've taken the Emmental slices as well as the Welsh cheddar, which I'm going to grate. So now let's start with cutting the loaf. Cut the loaf into half. From the lower half, just scoop out a little bit of the bread so that we can easily stuff the filling. Generously stuff the filling in the cavity. And now let's place the hero of the recipe. So first I'm going to grate some Welsh cheddar. This is a semi-soft cheese and it's extremely good to use in pasta, sandwiches, basically good to use while you're cooking something. Let's place 2 slices of this Emmental cheese. You can even place 1 if you want. Let's place some tomato slices. Crush a little bit of pepper. Cover it with the other half. Time to grill this sandwich. We just need to grill it till the cheese melts. So in a panini griller, just apply a little bit of butter, not too much, on the grill. Place the sandwich, apply a little bit of butter and close the grill. The cheese is nicely melted. Let's get it out. Our recipe is ready to be served. Do enjoy this delicious treat. Also visit Freshpik and explore their wide range of groceries. This is Ruchi Bharani signing off. Thank you.